With warm weather right around the corner, it's a good time to start planning on where you're going to be taking your Bronco this year. Whether it's expos, shows, off-roading events, or racing events, there's a lot to choose from, and hopefully this video will be able to help you narrow it down and decide, because these are 5 events that I think you should visit with your Bronco this year. The first 2 on my list I'd like to talk about are more of a car show than anything else. The first one I want to talk about is the Carlisle Ford Nationals. This show takes place in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and it's a 3-day event. At this event, you're going to see old and new Broncos, but the best part is you'll have a mixture of other Fords in there as well, so it's just not only Broncos. Also, this is a family-friendly event with a ton of activities to keep you guys entertained throughout the day. Last year, they had multiple monster trucks giving out rides, and they also even had a burnout pit, but I don't suggest taking your Bronco into there. If you're looking for that fun show to enjoy with the friends or family, then definitely add this one to your list. The first day of Carlisle Ford Nationals is June 2nd, and the last day is June 4th. Also, if you are going, definitely keep an eye out for myself and the crew, because we'll definitely be there. Another event that you should definitely be going to is Bronco Invasion. This is going to be a 3-day event down in Ocean City, New Jersey, and the dates of the event are going to be May 12th to the 14th. And the best part about it is they're going to have multiple things going on throughout the day, each day, so you can have as much fun as possible that weekend. To start off the first day of Bronco Invasion, all the Broncos are going to gather at the Bit Farm for live music, food, and even vendors and many more. They'll even have attractions there like a petting zoo, pony rides for the kids, and an off-road class to be able to teach you how to get on the trails this year safely and properly. And then the second day, which will be Saturday, all the Broncos are going to park on the boardwalk from the morning until the afternoon, so everybody can walk up and down the boardwalk and see everybody's different Broncos. And of course, there will be vendors and food and things like that there. And for the last day, which is going to be Sunday, all the Broncos will gather at the Humane Society, where there will be free coffee and bagels, and all donations will go right back into the Humane Society. Now, we will be going to this event with our Bronco, so if you are going to be there, definitely stop over and say what's up to me if you see me. And if you're lucky enough, I will be giving out some free merchandise, so hopefully you see me in time or I still have some left. Coming in at 3rd on our list, we have the Overland Expo. Now, this event has multiple locations all across the US, so definitely check out their website to see which one's closest to you. Now, this is a 3-day long event, and it's going to be perfect whether you're new to the community or you've been here for a while. They have a ton of exhibitors and even an educational program to teach you how to off-road, how to set up your rig to off-road, and what to bring when you're going on an adventure, plus many more. This place is filled with a ton of experience and information, so it's a really good thing it's 3 days long. Besides the vendors, programs, and all the cool parts that you can buy, they even have a ride and drive program, so you can either go ahead and drive on a course, or if you're not too experienced and you want to learn more, you can ride with someone as they're driving on the course to give you all the pointers and tips that you need. If this is something that interests you, definitely check out their website, get as much information as possible, and we hope to see you at the expo. Now, the 4th one on my list here is probably my favorite one out of all of them. If you're looking for a jam-packed week of fun, then you need to check out Trail Hero 2023. It's going to be 5 days of wheeling, live music, camping, food, vendors, and many more. This event is possibly everything that you could want, even if you are a beginner. The trails are going to go from mild to wild, and there's a ton of people out on the trails with you, and a lot of them have experience to be able to help you get through those tough courses. But if you don't want to take your brand new Bronco out on the trails and risk damaging it, there's a ton of spectator events there that you can check out that are pretty cool as well. Now, this isn't a Bronco only event, so you're going to see a ton of different off-road rigs there, and if you're looking for that seat time this summer, then this is the event for you. Last but not least, we have the CRANDON World Championship. This is definitely one you're going to want to keep your eye out for because it's a really fun event to go to. Now, this is completely different from all the other events that we talked about because this is mainly going to be a spectating event, but don't count it out just yet because it can be as much fun as all the other events that we've talked about. During this event, you're going to see Ultra 4s battling it out on a short course, but besides that, you'll be able to enjoy camping with the 2,300 designated campsites, and they also have a 100-acre off-road park for all the spectators to enjoy as well. Now, besides the Ultra 4s at the main event, they also have some cool activities leading up to it. For example, one of the days they actually have a town parade where all the Ultra 4s and some cool off-road rigs travel through town so all the spectators can see them up close. So if you're into racing and having a good time, definitely add this event to the list this year. Now, obviously there isn't just only 5 events to go to throughout the year, so let me know down in the comments section below what event you plan on hitting this year with the Bronco. It's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, check out the link in the description for all your off-road part needs.